Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a weekend update, the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you want to follow along, you can hit that subscribe button down below. It is free to join. So let's just get right into the portfolio. We did a quick update on Thursday. So the markets were closed on Thursday for Canada Day, but we were open again on Friday for the end of the week. So let's just jump straight into the portfolio. We'll show you how our trade portfolio is doing. We are now 3 full months into our growth of the TFSA portfolio. So let's just jump right in there. So you'll notice if you actually log into your Wealthsimple the end of the week, on the weekend here, the US markets are closed on Monday. That's not going to affect us. The Canadian ones will be open. They were closed on Thursday. So we can just X this off. We'll go over the portfolio. So as of Friday, we were down a little bit, 1376. We were down 1% on the day. Everything for the most part was kind of down a little bit in my portfolio, but that's okay. So we'll just go through, we'll show all-time returns. In the last week though, we did do okay because we were up, it's saying 0%, but we were up $7.94 in the week. So I think that's pretty good. And for the month, we were up 2%, which is nice. The way to end the month, $41.27. It's always nice to end in the positive. So now we have been going for 3 months. We are up a total of $109.16, so 5% in the last 3 months, which I think is good. We're starting to kind of build and get the dividends to come in. So we're going to hopefully see this grow a little bit as we have the dividends start to show up a bit more. So 1 year return will be exactly the same because we've only been going for 3 months. So we'll start to see this change, but obviously all time we're still up, so it'd be the same, 109.16. So 5%, I think that's a pretty decent return for a portfolio that is just starting out. We have 9 stocks right now, 8 stocks, and we do have an ETF, but we'll just go through here for the all-time returns on everything. So Brookfield Renewable Partners, this is one we added quite recently. We are up on that one, $4.95. This one has done quite well, 2.11% all-time return, which is nice to see. Cineplex, this one has kind of been the star of the portfolio, but it is down a little bit. We were up, if you've been following along and watching some of the videos, we were up about 20%. So this is one of the ones that's dropped, but we're still up 15.72%, so $31, which is nice. I haven't added any more to Cineplex. I've been focusing a bit more on some of the dividend stocks versus the growth stocks. But I think when we do our deposit for the month, we'll probably add, if the price is still down a little bit, I'm still thinking this is going to be a good growth for the summer to see where things go now that things are starting to open up. Same with Greenlane Renewables. We were actually down, we were up on this one earlier in the week if you were watching, but we are down a little bit, $4.05. That's okay. We're going to slowly keep adding to this one. This one actually has come up quite nicely in the last week or so for Greenlane Renewables. RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, this one's always nice. We should be getting a dividend from this one in the middle of the month, but we're up 8.43% in total. That's a good return on that. $34.50 is nice to see. TransAlta Renewables, we just actually had a dividend for this one. We got 94 cents. We haven't traded that yet. This is kind of sitting there. But we are up. This one has come up nicely too. We are up 5.3%, in total $12.70, which is nice. We have 12 shares of that, so we'll get the regular dividends paid monthly on that. Solar Alliance Energy, we have a small position on here. These shares are trading at only 25 cents, so we are down though. We are down 14%. Sounds high, but which it is, but we just really have just under $45. So not down, just down a little bit, $7.30. This is like a long-term kind of hold, and we'll just to kind of see what happens. That was kind of that play on that. Slate Office Real Estate Investment Trust. This one is doing okay. We will get regular dividends for that. It's been flat at this price, which is a good thing. We're going to add more to this on this month for sure. We are up 60 cents, 0.75%. We do have 15 shares, so we believe get dividends from Slate on the 15th of July. I believe is that when they come in. And this is one of our latest acquisitions here was Telus. We have 7 shares. We'll be adding more of this. We're up a little bit, 1.31%. It's nice to see when you first buy a position in a company that it goes up in price and not down. That's always nice to see. And then our old standby is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index. This is the ETF. we are up 4.7%. So we'll add a couple more shares of that when we do the deposit once everything gets reconciled and I can figure out how much I can actually put in for July. That is the portfolio. Now I have a few things on the watch list. I've been kind of following along. I've been looking at some bond ETFs, etc., but nothing that I really am going to be purchasing. I just kind of keep an eye and watch that. We're going to keep with our portfolio, I think, for the time being. It seems to be doing well. There's nothing wrong with a start of a 5% return on our TFSA, so we'll keep it at that. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you've made it this far, I appreciate it. And if you aren't subscribed, as always, consider subscribing. If you did like this video, it gives me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, well, thumbs down is okay too. If you have any questions on the TFSA portfolio or Wealthsimple in general, I'd be happy to try and answer them in a comment. If you leave a comment, I will get back to you. Thanks so much, everybody. We'll see you all in the next video.